Cellos, this is our training video for Christmas Eve, Sarajevo, 1224. Now, first thing we're looking at, as always, is the key signature, which looks like G major, but if you know the bell carol, which this song's all based on, we're really on the key of E minor. Okay? We have some mixed meters. Here, the meters change, I should say. Starting with 4/4 in the first line, there's one measure of 2/4, then it goes back to 4/4 until 11, then it blasts off into the 3/4 bell carol meter, common meter for bell carol, all the way to the end. All right, so here at the very beginning, we have this nice solo part here for our section of the bell carol. Just let that fade to nothing. We do it again. Let it fade to nothing. Then we do it again. This time, watching the conductor. Save your bow. 2, 3, 4. Then watch the conductor, because this is where the song blasts off. Okay, then we take off. All right, now at 11, we have a pattern here where we've got this big down bow. I'm going to do that retake every time after beat 1. So you want to get as much bow on your first beat as you possibly can. Now, 19, you notice we've got to get up here for an E. On and on and on. Now, realize in the bell carol, everything's based on 4 measures. Okay? So you're going to see that you have 8 between 11 and 19, 4 for the dotted half notes at 19, another one of those groups of doom, 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 doom. Okay, then we do that another 4, another 4. Okay, so watch for that. That'll help you to process this information, key in on what the other parts of the orchestra are doing. That way you don't really have to pay that close of attention. You can just listen and work with the ensemble instead of potentially getting your eyes lost in the middle of all those E's that you've got to play. All right, now let's look at 47. This is a little trickier spot here because we've got a B, C sharp, extension, extension. And it does that 4 more times. Okay? 55, you notice there's accents on every note. So you're playing this scale, but you can't be just playing that little wimpy kind of sound. You've got to use as much bow. Happens again at 63, again at 67. Okay? Then we have a number of sections where we're just holding that E. Then we have some descending notes here at 83. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Very, very simple. You've done things like that before. Divide the part at 91 evenly, because that harmony of the third and then the fifth is really important. 99 to 115, repeat from what we've done earlier. 130, 115, 123, repeat from 91. Okay, bell carol does a lot of repetition. We have the same thing going all over until we get to 59, where we've got that simile bow, just like we have 159. All the way. We have a tremolo at 171. Work that baby all the way back up to the frog, and then the last note, watch your conductor.